Not since I went and bought my own, ain't nobody use it.
Clean that shit.
Oh, ain't nobody use mine anyway.
That shit cost. That shit high.
When I do somebody unit,
You get it out of there. That's what I'm talking about. We got that coil clean. I'm doing it for Channel 7 News.
They may pour a little water.
Get Charles on duty.
Just a little bit up in there.
Oh, yeah.
Girl, put a little water up in there. Ain't much, just put a little bit up in there.
I should get right one. Think did good enough.
Mustang wine? Probably gonna burn like it. When you speak, you ain't come back too. That's how I told Louis was said. Broken up with a key.
Broken up with a key, how you gonna do this shit?
Who's asking you?
No phone in there.
Kick what?
So good. Got the half phone ringing. We got the half phone ringing out here. Beautiful day.
What up, man? Hey.
Got the coil clean. Ain't no dirt in there yet. I will know in for me.
You know what you mean. That shit coming out now.
It is. Yeah, might hit that back. I might just have water. Get that to the bottom. Huh?
Get that to the bottom.
Yeah.
You make you cough that good shit, dude.
So right. My God. Huh? Do this need clean? See, that's back up. Here's
Yeah, we cleaning. Air units. Get cleaners in the class. What's going on, T?
What's going on?
I'm working on the refrigerator. Swapping around. Giving y'all a glimpse of everything. Yeah. Very dope. Let me go up here with these boys, it. What you doing out there, Robbie? 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 What you doing out there?
I'm not doing anything, man.
I'm doing this for Channel 7 News, Robbie.
Channel 7 News?
Yeah.
Channel 7 out there.
He got you doing the Facebook thing.
Joe.
Channel 7, I like to, three. Yeah, three, ready.
What we doing for Channel 13?
You talking about Jackson News?
Yeah.
I don't like Jackson News.
They don't do nothing
I
right.
like their morning shows, but I don't like their afternoon shows.
I never wake up in time for the morning shows.
I like their
I'm coming up there, Joe.
Hey, look. Because they have two girls on there.
Coming up. I got a question. What's your question, Joe? Yeah, we're on the top of the building.
Hang on, everybody be quiet. We're actually working.
Yeah, Joe.
How much pipe have I got through down there?
Oh, my.
Don't bend that.
I ain't been it.
How much more do you need? Hop up here in my way.
I'm in the way.
Tell me when.